Hello dear fans. How to determine the valence of chemical elements. The valence of a chemical element is the ability of an atom to add or replace a certain number of other atoms or atomic groups to form a chemical bond. It must be remembered that some atoms of the same chemical element can have different valencies in different compounds. Necessary. Mendeleev table. Instructions. Step 1. Hydrogen and oxygen are considered to be monovalent and divalent elements, respectively. The measure of valence is the number of hydrogen or oxygen atoms that an element attaches to form a hydride or oxide. Let X be the element whose valency is to be determined. Then XHN is the hydride of this element, and XMON is its oxide. Example: the formula of ammonia is NH3, here nitrogen has valence 3. Sodium is monovalent in the compound Na2O. Step 2. To determine the valence of an element, you need to multiply the number of hydrogen or oxygen atoms in the compound by the valence of hydrogen and oxygen, respectively, and then divide by the number of atoms of the chemical element whose valency is. Step 3. The valence of an element can also be determined from other atoms with a known valence. In different compounds, atoms of the same element can exhibit different valencies. For example, sulfur is divalent in H2S and Cus compounds, tetravalent in SO2 and SF4 compounds, and hexavalent in SO3 and SF6 compounds. Step 4. The maximum valence of an element is considered equal to the number of electrons in the outer electron shell of the atom. The maximum valence of elements of the same group of the periodic system usually corresponds to its ordinal number. For example, the maximum valence of carbon C should be 4. Thanks for watching.